With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In an ionic compound, Xy2O4 oxide ions are arranged in CCP. Cations X are present in octahedral voids. Cation Y are equally distributed between octahedral and tetrahedral voids. The fraction of the octahedral voids occupied is. Now, in this question, it is given Xy2O4 oxide ions are arranged in CCP. The oxide ions are arranged in CCP. Now this CCP is very similar to FCC. What is the FCC? FCC is the face centered cubic. So let us discuss about the FCC, how the atoms are arranged in FCC. For this we have to make a cube. This is our cube, and we all know there are 8 corners in a cube and 6 faces in a cube. This is a cube, and here we can clearly see that there are 8 corners are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in these 8 corners, the particles are present at the 8 corners as well as the face centers of the cube in FCC. This is the face, and here the atom is present. Here is the face, here the atom is present. Here is the face, and at the center of this face the atom is present. This is the front face, and at the front face in the middle the atom is present. Similarly here one atom is present, and here one atom is present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what happens in FCC? The atoms are present at the corners as well as the face center. Okay, we all know there are 8 centers of the 8 corners of the cube, and we all know there are 6 faces of the cube. Now the contribution of the particles present at the corners. The contribution of the particles present at the corners is 1 by 8, and the contribution of the particles present at the face will be 1 by 2. So the contribution in FCC will be, the number of particles present in FCC will be 8 into 1 by 8. 8 because number of corners is 8, and contribution of each corner will be, each atom will be present at the corner will be 1 by 8, and plus 6, there are 6 faces, and the contribution will be 1 by 2. So here we can write 6 into 1 by 2. So here we get 4. So the number of particles in FCC is 4, or we can say this value as an n. Now in this question the distributed between octahedral and tetrahedral. Now we discuss about the tetrahedral and the octahedral voids. Now the tetrahedral voids. What are the voids? Voids are the empty space in the cube. If the number of particles is n, or you can say the value of n is 4, then the tetrahedral voids will be twice of n, or you can say this is 8. Similarly, the octahedral voids, for the octahedral voids it will be n. So there are 4 octahedral voids. So now in this question, let us see the question. In an ionic compound Xy2O4, oxide ions are arranged in CCP. Cations X are present in the octahedral voids. Cations Y are equally distributed between octahedral and tetrahedral voids, and we have to find the fraction of the octahedral voids present. Okay, so for this we have to write Xy2O4. Here we have to, Xy2. In Xy2O4 we can see clearly that cation X are present in octahedral void, and cations Y are equally distributed between octahedral and tetrahedral void. Okay, so we have to find the fraction of the octahedral voids. So octahedral void is present in X and Y only. Now in X, the stoichiometry of X is 1, and the stoichiometry of Y is 2, but it is saying that in the question cation Y are equally distributed between octahedral and tetrahedral void. So here 2 is the stoichiometry of Y, so 1 1. So basically octahedral voids are present in X and Y. So basically the octahedral voids, how many octahedral voids are there? Octahedral voids are there. Total 2 octahedral voids are there. One is in X and one is in Y. Okay. Now here the octahedral voids is 4, given as 4 we have calculated. Now in this question it is asking the fraction of the octahedral voids occupied is. So the fraction of octahedral voids will be fraction of octahedral voids will be octahedral voids will be 2 octahedral voids are there, divide by 4. So here we can get 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is our answer. So let us check in the option. Here we can see second option is 1 by 2. So the fraction of the octahedral void occupied is 1 by 2.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.